Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, today I am here with two very big hiring by two very big MNC. TCS, right? So this is a new hiring by TCS, and Hexaware. Hexaware is also hiring through the Superset platform. Both the hirings are the genuine hiring because TCS is hiring through their official website, official platform, and Hexaware is hiring through Superset platform. All the jobs listed on the Superset platforms are genuine one. Now, I request all of you to please watch the video till the end because many things I'm going to talk, and if you don't watch that, then there will be a lot of queries and doubts will be there in your mind. And the same thing you start asking in the comment section. So it will become a rework for all of us, right? Okay. First, I will tell you the eligibility criteria so that you don't waste your time watching the complete video. Before that, please do like the video. It takes a lot of effort in bringing the genuine content, the best content for all of you, right? And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that any kind of hiring preparation videos, nothing you are going to miss it, right? A lot of live classes we do for your preparation, right? So you are not going to miss anything. Now, friends, the first hiring is coming from TCS, and 2023 and 2024 batch from BCA and BSC are eligible, right? So eligibility criteria is clear. If you are not BSc BCA candidate, then there is no use of watching this particular TCS hiring. And for Hexaware also we have BSc and BCA. So this both the hirings are for BSc BCA, and this is for 2024. 2023 it is not there. Clear? Now you can decide that you have to watch the video further or not. So friend, TCS, right? So registration status is open. End date is Monday 24th of June 2024, and test date to be announced, to be communicated soon. So about TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring, we will also discuss the syllabus pattern and all, right? Okay. So batch of 2023 and 2024. So TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring is exclusively for candidates from the stream of BSc BCA, IT, Computer Science, Math, Data Science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, cyber security, biochemistry, BWalk in CSCIT from the batch of 2023 and 2024 are only eligible. So what is TCS BSc Ignite? So a student to perform exceptionally well during the TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring selection process will get an opportunity to join TCS BCS Ignite. Okay, TCS unique science to software program. This program strengthens you in training technology and will open a doorway to a holistic and global IT career at par with engineers, right? So this is a very good role basically. Okay, a unique blend of, so basically you will be here working on the latest technology like cloud, blockchain, AR, VR, XR, AI, ML, Gen AI, robotics, and digital engineering. Okay, got the idea now? So definitely now the question will be, sir, how to apply? So many of you are not getting apply to drive option. So for that you need to send an email to TCS, right? So they will enable if you are eligible. Okay, and see scenario one, if you're registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. Upon submission, kindly check on apply for drive. Okay, if you're a new user, kindly click on register now, choose the category IT, and then proceed to fill in your details. Okay, so don't try in BPS section. Okay, because for BSc and BCA, this category you have to select is IT. Okay, be very clear with that. Now, please ensure that the details in the TCS application form are complete and accurate. Choose your preferred test center. So basically these exams you cannot give it at home, so you will have to go to the test center. To confirm your status, track your application. The status should reflect it as applied for drive. Okay, now, so if you are not getting applied to drive option, you need to send an mail to TCS. Eligibility criteria they have mentioned here: course and discipline, full-time graduate from BSc BCA IT Computer Science, so that already I have told you. Okay, and 50% minimum required in 10-12 diploma. The batch of 2023 candidates should not have any backlogs. 2024 one active backlogs at the time of appearing, right? Hiring categories they have mentioned frequently. Okay, so for Ignite the salary will be 2.8 LPA, and CTC for a smart hiring will be 1.9 lakhs per annum. But TCS is a very good company to start with. If you're not getting any opportunity, you can go for it. Now Hexaware. So friends, Hexaware BSc BCA are eligible, and the profile is infrastructure management support. 60% of 6 CGPA throughout in 10, 12th and graduation. No live backlogs at the time of registration. Year of passing 2024, pass out, role, trainee, work location, college, or candidate current location Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, and Noida. Okay, now Graduate BSc, CS IT Electronics, Triple E Circuital, and BSc. Okay, fine. And friends, here you can download this JD. Okay, so once you download this JD, then you can see here all the details they have mentioned. So year of passing, role, work location will be Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, and Noida, right? So the work location will be Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, and Noida, and college or candidate current location. So college or candidate current location only from Tamil Nadu or Maharashtra. So this is only for Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. If you're from other state, you are not eligible, right? So BSc and BCA are eligible. Okay. CTC and stipend 3 LPA and 15K for 3 months, right? So all the details has been given here. And now you can see you are not eligible for this profile because I'm using some other profile, and this is 2022 pass out. So it is only open for 2024. And BTech, if you're a BTech civil, then you will not be able to apply, right? Otherwise, you will be getting a apply link, right? And then you will be able to apply from here, right? Okay. So they have not given any kind of last date and all, right? So if you go there, okay. So I think it is 31st of May. Somewhere I had seen that hiring flow. So just okay. Somewhere I had seen that. Let me just search. Okay, so it is not there. So this you will be able to apply till 31st of May. Okay, now so probably I have given you all the details, and now how to prepare. So friends, if you really serious and want to prepare for any of this examination, right? So TCS BPS hiring, TCS smart hiring, right? Then what you can do is, so you can join this course. See, basically your syllabus will be common things will be their aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. So these three we will try to help you out, right? And this is the latest one, TCS BPS hiring, see BPS smart hiring, and your TCS Ignite, right? So similar kind of pattern will be there. So definitely, if you're from maths, if you're from data science, then one subject will be different, but common will be aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. So that you will be able to prepare from here. So verbal ability, aptitude and reasoning, and TCS smart hiring, right? So this is what you will be able to perform from here, achieve from here. So I request all of you to check the link which is given in the description and make use of it. Okay, so see, at online study for you, you can check the quality of the teaching what we are providing it to you, right? So that will definitely give you a lot of confidence, and you will be able to crack TCS Ignite or TCS smart hiring, right? Thank you, take care, and all the very best. All the links are there in the description.